Hi, and welcome to this new video on the Illustra AI person counting and AI Tripwire features as part of the 24H2 release. AI Tripwire utilizes a user-defined line for crossing or trespassing analytics, combined with a compatible VMS system that utilizes AI metadata for AI person object. To configure this, log into the Illustra web GUI using the admin login credentials. And select Setup from the web user interface at the top of the screen. Navigate to the Analytics options and select the Person Counting option. Select the checkbox to enable the person counting feature itself. Then select New Rule. Begin by giving the rule a name. Then you can configure the camera action and confidence level using the slider. Then using the drop-down menu, select the count type, either in, out, or in and out. You can then use the drawing tool on the right hand side to create the user-defined tripwire. Please ensure to select the correct direction required for the associated count type, i.e. the direction the person is moving in. Select the Save button once you're happy with the alarm configuration. Please ensure then to configure the reset time using the drop-down menus as shown on screen. You can also use the manual reset button from the GUI shown on screen. AI person counting will be fully utilized in a supported VMS system for features like area occupancy as shown here in Victor Client. The AI Tripwire rule can be configured independently by the AI object classification options. In the new Rules section, select the Rule Type dropdown and select Tripwire as shown on screen. Next, we'll give a Tripwire rule a name. And for our object class, AI Tripwire is specifically configured for person object only. You can then use the drawing tool on the right hand side to create a user-defined tripwire. Again, please ensure to select the correct direction required for the associated rule and environment. In this example, with the train tracks, we're creating a tripwire if a person is moving towards the end of the tracks. In the direction dropdown, you can select the direction the person is moving in, i.e. left, right, or any, as long as this is configured correctly with the drawing tools on the right hand side to represent the movement of the person. Select the Save button once you're happy with the alarm configuration.